Introducing Impact by Eureka. European quality and Canadian design. Designed with your lifestyle and individual cleaning needs in mind. Impact protects what you love most. With today's ever-increasing environmental hazards, Impact takes your health to heart. Impact's powerful, sealed collection container filters out noise pollution, dust pollution, and is energy efficient, with 3 times more power than conventional upright vacuums. Impact's Hepa Filter traps dust mites, their eggs, and feces, and filters 600 times smaller than a human hair. Impact takes your family's health seriously. With a wide range of tools and accessories, Impact addresses your unique living space. Impact's lightweight swivel hose makes cleaning a snap. Impact's size is its advantage. Stored permanently under your sink or in a closet, it won't take up valuable storage space like other portable vacuums. Impact's special Vacpan enables you to do quick pickups without needing to take out your hose. Just sweep towards Impact's Vacpan and watch your debris disappear. Impact's inlets are mounted in front of the container or through your cabinet to the bar side for easy access and use. Simply plug in your lightweight hose, pick the appropriate tool, and experience the power yourself. Contact your local nearest dealer or Neat Freaks for pricing and installation.